Welcome to Sue Ellen's Floral Company, where we bring the magic of Christmas to life with our exquisite flower arrangements. Our expert florists craft each bouquet with care, ensuring your holiday season is filled with beauty and joy. Discover our stunning collection of Christmas flowers, perfect for decorating your home or gifting to loved ones. From vibrant poinsettias to elegant amaryllis, our arrangements capture the essence of the festive season. At Sue Ellen's Floral Company, we understand the importance of creating a warm and inviting atmosphere during the holidays. Our floral designs are tailored to complement your Christmas decor, adding a touch of elegance and charm. Our Christmas flower arrangements are not only visually stunning, but also crafted to last throughout the holiday season. We use the freshest blooms, ensuring that your flowers remain vibrant and beautiful for weeks. Looking for a unique gift this Christmas? Our custom floral arrangements are the perfect choice. Personalize your bouquet with a selection of seasonal flowers and colors, making it a thoughtful and memorable present. Ordering from Sue Ellen's Floral Company is easy and convenient. Simply visit our website or call us to explore our Christmas collection. Our friendly team is ready to assist you in selecting the perfect arrangement. We offer delivery services to ensure your Christmas flowers arrive fresh and on time. Whether you're sending a gift or decorating your own home, our reliable delivery ensures a hassle-free experience. Celebrate the joy of Christmas with Sue Ellen's Floral Company. Our beautiful flower arrangements are designed to bring warmth and happiness to your holiday celebrations. Visit us today and make this Christmas truly special.